Uber is set to face a high-stakes trial this week in the U.S. state of Arizona.
Now, in a lawsuit brought by a woman who says she was sexually assaulted by a driver booked through the app, the case could become a defining test of whether Uber can shield itself from liability for alleged assaults by its drivers.
Oklahoma resident Jalen Dean sued Uber in 2023, saying the company knew about a pattern of sexual assaults by their drivers but failed to take basic steps to improve rider safety. Such claims have dogged Uber for years and have sparked media investigations and scrutiny from U.S. lawmakers. As per a report on Reuters, legal experts describe the case as a bellwether trial, with the verdict likely to shape the value and direction of thousands of similar lawsuits.
Now, more than 3,000 sexual assault-related claims against Uber are currently consolidated in U.S. federal court. Plaintiffs argue Uber should be held responsible for failing to protect passengers. Uber says it cannot be liable for criminal acts committed by drivers using its platform. The company argues its drivers are independent contractors and that assaults fall outside the scope of any driver's duties.
Uber maintains that its background checks and safety disclosures meet legal requirements and says that it has invested heavily in safety features over recent years. But courts and labor bodies around the world have challenged Uber's contractor model, pointing to the company's control over fares, ratings and trip assignments. In 2021, the UK Supreme Court ruled that Uber drivers are workers, not self-employed contractors, entitling them to minimum wage and holiday pay. The ruling also rejected Uber's argument that it bears no responsibility for driver conduct, a precedent that could influence how courts view Uber's duties to passengers elsewhere as well.